Hi everyone, Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart, May 5, 11 am. After 11 o'clock, a sell call generated, so red color candle open. In this chart, automatically it will analyze the market movement and generate calls during live market. Today, during this Friday market, we have received a sell call after 11 o'clock, so red color candle is going on. It will help you by providing the intraday calls like where to take the entry point and where to exit. Here the entry point is that straight white color line from red color candle, that is our entry point line. Sell at 43,483. Below red color lines are first target, second target line, above one is the stop loss line. On daily basis in live market you will get calls from this chart like this. If you want to subscribe for this chart, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We will provide you the plan detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it also. After 5 minutes of sell call generator, it first break out the first target range and market was continuous bearish momentum. So it started to move in again downside direction and break out the second target also. Like this today, sell call achieved both the first target and second target also. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart means just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.